Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide tags in a WordPress post, giving your site a cleaner, more professional look. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned WordPress user, this guide is simple, fast, and effective. First, open your web browser and go to your WordPress website. At the top right corner, click the login button. You can sign in with your Google account to save time and avoid remembering another password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard, the central hub where all your posts and settings live. Next, locate the section where your posts are listed. Find the post you want to edit and click Edit. This opens the post editor where you can manage all aspects of your content. Scroll down a little and on the right hand side, you'll see the settings panel. Here, the tags for your post are displayed. Tags help organize content, but sometimes they can clutter your post. To hide them, simply erase all the existing tags in this field. Once cleared, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button. This ensures your post is updated and the tags no longer appear on your live website. Finally, double check your post on the front end to make sure everything looks clean and polished. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully hidden tags and improved the appearance of your posts. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips and tricks.